टाइम नहीं है। हाँ, थैंक यू। हमारा खुद कभी जीवन में नहीं भूलेंगे। Yes, so very good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to upload a video that is based on data mining process, and this is nowadays like a very trending topic in industry that is related to data science and business analytics and data analytics field. So the things is that in this kinds of process and this kinds of field, we are very encouraging our student to check it very carefully and you can handle these things very easily and you can try to get into industry if you have a great knowledge of this. So currently many of the students messaged me that uh, can you give some motivations video on like for data science and all. So I am like currently I'm planning and I'm working on this to bring some motivation video like how some is like their number of students like they have done a transition from one domain to another domain. So I'm completely trying to make a trying to collect those strength and can do a great meeting and then it can post in front of you. So that will be a great time, I believe. But I believe that life is not the same for everybody, right? You should respect in your life each and everybody, either they respect you or not. But this is the mantra of the life. They are not respecting you, they are not whatever the word they are saying, that you should understand it, right? This is the point. And I believe that we should go ahead. Okay. So this is business understanding, this is data understanding, this is data preparation, this is modeling, evolution, deployment, data, business understanding. So this is come in keeps DM process. And we come coming to process. Business understanding, data understanding, prior knowledge, preparation, modeling, application, and knowledge. Data understanding, business understanding, prepare data, training data, test data, building model using algorithm, applying model and performance evaluation, deployment, knowledge and action, deployment, applying model and performance evaluation, building model using algorithm, prepare data. These are the fundas like modeling, preparation, knowledge, application, knowledge. Coming to the prepare knowledge, like we have some getting information, objective of the problem, subjective of the problem, data, right? Data preparation, data exploration, data quality, handling value, data type conversion, transformation, outliers, features selection, sampling. So these are the called data preparation. Like we need to prepare the data before prediction and before PRD. We need to prepare the data. For data preparation, you need to check the quality of data. You need to check the missing value. You need to convert the data type. Like if there is some incorrect format, you need to change that. You need to transfer the data format as well if it is required. You will check the outliers. What is the meaning of outliers? If there is some error in the data, there is some the error value is there, then you need to find it and you need to remove from the above data set. You need to find the feature selection. What is the feature selection? So basically, this is something that we need to bring our data set into the range where we can apply some like normalization kind of things. And what is sampling technique? So we need to find out the clustering kind of things like clustering or classification and regression. So we need to analyze that what kinds of techniques we can use according to the sampling data given. So I think everybody is getting clear. What is the modeling? So after that modeling, we will do modeling. When modeling, like we will split our data into two part: training data and test data, and then the test data that we will be evaluated, and then this will be give for prediction. That will be final model. So for modeling, if I will check again, we have a splitting training and testing data set. So here we have a training data set and we have a test data set. That is like a 30%, and this is like 70%, right? So after that, what we are doing, we are splitting the training and testing data set. So you can just check it like we have 70 and 30 ka ratio is there, right? So you can check right now we have split it. And let's say we are applying some technique. Let's say we are applying here we are applying some rule. Let's say logistic regression we are applying. Let's say we are applying some y equal to mx plus c linear regression, let's say. So we are getting this kind of situation. And then we are trying to modeling it, evaluation of test data set. So we have a test data set, we are trying to evaluation it. And these are the applications. For the application like product readlines, technical integration, model response time, remodeling, assembly sets. These are the topics that they are like, this is very, very important. So I believe that everybody is getting, and thank you for your time. Again, I would like to give you motivation that see, life is not same for everybody. You all are perfect. God make you perfect. You always remember one thing, that you are unique. Have to handle it properly, right? You are unique and you have to handle it properly. And again, I would suggest you, request you to understand this point, right? Because until and unless you will not get this point, because most of the people may think about that you are a greedy. Most of the people they may think about you that you are a nonsense person that who always try to take the money, or like a good person. A personality is not good of you, but you are the person that you believe yourself that no, you are not like that. Each and every second you are trying hard work. You are creating the great knowledge, uh, and you are trying to share the good knowledge. You are always a great person, great person, right? This is the difficult situation for in the life where you get the paybacks. I mean, like people are just simmering negative about you, but end of the day, you are positive about yourself. You know what you are doing. End of the day, you are ready and you will sell yourself. They will pay you. This is the big achievement. That's it. So the end of the day, you do is that you need to try. Right? You should think that God has given you so valuable body in your brain, the lungs that you have, kidney you have. That is more valuable, right? So this all kinds of things, right? So you can, right? But at least you should try any opportunity, anything that is going on. You should do your work. Be opportunity as deal with the opportunity of any, right? Nowadays people are losing the opportunity. They always think negativity. They're not creative. They are like they are just doing. They are just frustrated. Why they are frustrated? Because they are like in that kinds of climate. They are with negative people. It took first come into the positive people. Even people are not understanding you, or like just giving you back. Just it's okay. Try to ignore that and try to be good from your side. If the responsible person from your side, right? Please try to ignore this because you know that what you are doing. If your vision is clear, your path is clear, you're the great person in the world, right? Even person that I'm coming from very zero background, like my company, even me, I am earning like in one day that is too good. What I'm earning in one day. That's very good achievement for me, right? So like today I think that like be something about exploring. Explore it, analyze it, right? Enjoy it, right? But don't I'm trying you cheat anybody, right? Cheating is a very bad thing. So you need not to cheat, right? Basically in your family members, you should never cheat them, right? You should never be saying, okay, thank you very much.